Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Bricklink account. First, navigate to the official Bricklink website. Look for the register or create account link, usually found at the top right of the page. You will need to enter a valid email address and choose a strong, unique password. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. This initial step is quick, taking less than 1 minute to complete, setting the foundation for your new account. Next, you will be prompted to enter your personal details. Choose a unique username that will represent you on the platform. Provide your full name and select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. You will also need to complete a reCAPTCHA challenge to ensure security. After submitting, an email containing a verification link will be sent to you. Click this link within 24 hours to fully activate your new Bricklink account. Once your account is activated, log in using your new credentials. Take some time to explore your profile settings. Here, you can add more personal information, though it is optional. Crucially, you can set your preferred currency, choosing from over 20 options, and your primary language for a more personalized experience. You can also customize your notification settings to receive alerts about new messages or order updates, ensuring you stay informed about all activities. With your account set up, you are ready to explore Bricklink's vast marketplace. You can start browsing for specific Lego parts, complete sets, or unique minifigures. Utilize the wanted list feature to track items you wish to purchase later, making shopping more efficient. Learn how to contact sellers directly for inquiries and understand the straightforward process of placing orders. Don't forget to check out the community forums for valuable tips and engaging discussions with other Lego enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.